friends, welcome to Download. In today's lecture series we are going to study section 351, 352 and 353 of IPC, which talks about assault. 351 is assault, 352 punishment for assault or criminal force otherwise than on grave provocation, and 353 is assault or criminal force to deter public servant from discharge of his duty. Okay, let's come read the direct language of section 351. Section 351: whoever makes any gesture or preparation intending or knowing it to be likely that such gesture or preparation, gesture and preparation here under the assault, gesture and preparation is an essential ingredient, so which cause any person present to apprehend that he who makes that gesture or preparation, means the person who is going to make such a gesture or preparation is about to use criminal force, to that person is said to commit assault. Any person who is about to make gesture or preparation and trying to there is a reasonable apprehension is about to use criminal force to that person is said to commit an assault. Explanation is here: mere words do not amount to an assault, but the words which a person uses may give to his gesture or preparation, means any word which person is using and gives gesture or preparation such a meaning as may make those gesture or preparations amount to an assault, means using gesture and preparation at the same time, speaking something and using gesture and preparation. सपोज दैट यूजिंग देयर फिस्ट लाइक दैट, मुट्ठी बांध लिया और ऐसे बोल रहा है, तो ये जेस्चर और प्रिपरेशन है. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये असॉल्ट होगा अगर इंटेंशन इन्वॉल्व है तो. एग्जाम्पल इज ए सेक हिज फिस्ट एट जेड. ओके, इंटेंडिंग और नोइंग इट टू बी लाइकली दैट ही मे देयर बाई कॉजेज जेड टू बिलीव दैट ए इज अबाउट टू स्ट्राइक जेड. ओके, हैज कमिटेड एन असॉल्ट obviously. Example B: A begins to unloose the muzzle of the ferocious dog. Ferocious means it is like a very violent dog, and muzzle means like खोल देना उसे, free कर देना, like free the ferocious dog, intending or knowing it to be likely that he may thereby cause Jade to believe that he is about to cause the dog to attack Jade. So A is like here A has committed an assault upon Jade as likely that he may thereby cause Jade to believe that he is about to cause to attack Jade. Okay, and C, example C: A takes up a stick saying to Jade, I will give you a beating. Here, though the words used by A could in no case amount to an assault, and though the mere gesture is unaccompanied by any other circumstances might not amount to an assault, the gesture explained by the words may amount to an assault. Okay. 352: punishment for assault or criminal force otherwise than on grave provocation. Whoever assault or uses criminal force to any person otherwise than on grave or sudden provocation given by that person shall be punished with imprisonment of a description for a term which may extend to 3 months or fine which may extend to 500 rupees or both. Okay, so here the classification of offense is here, like punishment of imprisonment of 3 months and fine of rupees 500. So come to section 353: assault or criminal force to deter public servant from discharge of his duty. Whoever assault or uses criminal force to any person being a public servant in execution of his duty as such public servant, or with intent to prevent or deter that public person from discharging his duty as such public servant, or in consequence of anything done or attempted to be done by such a person to the lawful discharge of his duty as such public servant shall be punished with imprisonment of the description for a term which may extend to 2 years or fine both. Here in case of punishment for assault or criminal force otherwise than on grave and sudden provocation is here like punishment, like here thumb impression taken forcibly, like forcibly taking the thumb impression of a person on a blank piece of paper amounts to an offense of assault, or use of criminal force punishable under section. Okay, heavily taken thumb impression is also a kind of assault. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is Deepak Anandan signing off.